Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a nice, bright, sunshiny day. Well, it's a little foggy out there, but we got some work done on this little Trailboss here. So I got the wires all put together. Oh, I got my new headlight bucket. And what else? Oh, and a new headlight, which is in really good shape, actually. Nice and shiny all the way around, no dents, no scratches. And both elements work. What I want to do today is try and get this all together. I got to first tighten these up. I'm not sure if the ears are correct or not, but anyway, they're going to work. So let's get with it. All right, so what I want to do is test the headlight circuit, not the headlight itself. I've already tested that. So what I'm going to do is, if you look here, this switch down here, I'll point it out to you, right here, gets its feed from this wire, which comes off of, that's pin 6 of the main switch. So, and pin 6, according to the chart down below, this would be pin 6 for nighttime running. You can see that. Pin 6 connects to pin 7. So pin 7 off of here, I can even see that without the magnifying glass, goes over and connects to the mag, one of the coils on the mag. And that wire that comes out of there is yellow. So what I want to do is break this connection here and feed 6 volts into pin 7, and then go over and test both positions of my headlight with the headlight hooked up. So let's see if we can do that. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's the old guy here. I got my parts in for my headlight, actually a new headlight and a new headlight bucket, and I got those installed yesterday. As you can see here, bucket, I put the turn signals right here, and they work. And we're going to test out the headlight now. So let us proceed. What I did was I took my little 6-volt power supply here, puts out about 10 amps if I need it to, and I hooked it up to the yellow wire here, which is it comes from here, which comes from the magneto and the lighting coil. So the lighting coil connects to this, because normally you would have to have the engine running to check the headlight. So I just put 6 volts on this yellow wire, which goes up to the key switch, which in turn, when you turn it over to the second position, goes to the headlight. And lo and behold, we have headlight. And we're actually drawing about 4.35 amps. That's on high beam. If we switch to low beam, we get about 3.13 amps. Now, of course, the the voltage coming off the coil would be a little bit different because that's going to be a pulsing or an AC voltage. This is DC voltage. But it does show that it works, and we're in good shape. I'll button this guy up, put those wires back together, and we're all done with the lights. The turn signals still work. And the lights up here work. And you can see hopefully that the red light for the high beam came on. And the flasher works. Oh, you can see that blinking. So everything works. And we'll button this up and be back to put on the exhaust. And probably put the seat back on, and then we'll go work on the tank. Ain't she beautiful? All right, so we now have all of the electrics hooked up and working properly. So it's time to get on to the next thing, and that is putting the exhaust on and getting the tank painted, and putting the seat on, and then with a little bit of warm weather like we're having today, after I get all that stuff done, I can take it out for a little test ride. So, it just goes to show, I may be old, but I'm slow.